Good morning, everyone. We're out on the sand flat today for the early morning, flicking around some soft plastics. My mate Kobe's just hooked up first cast, so I'm trying to get the GoPro on, just to a baby flatty. So yeah, there must be a few around, so yeah, we'll see if we can get some. There we go, finally got one. Now it's only been like, what, 6 casts or so? Oh, that's not even bad. I'll grab the net for him actually. He's decent. I did not think he was that good.
48. Oh, another one. Oh man.
Right, that's not bad. There we go. 49 centimeters on the dot. Yeah, good fish. There he goes. Good release. What is that? I barely felt that hit. That hit was absolutely tiny.
Oh yeah.
Baby flatty. You should have felt that hit. That was like nothing, eh? There we go. Just a little guy. See you, mate.
Holy crap, yeah, he's back. It's like a bream.
These two.
Oh yeah. Decent too.
There we go. Just a nice bream, 30 centimeters. Just on the 3-inch. Not a bad fish, we'll get him back in. Alright, so we're just gonna let go of this big bream, 30 centimeters. I don't know, don't think it's that big. There's a school of them there, just cast out there. Whoa.
Oh, we'll hook up on the bream, yeah.
He's alright. Oh my god, I was getting so many hits too. This is about the size of yours, eh? Holy, that is a tiny flathead.
What happened?
I thought it... Oh, quick release. Oh, the head... Well, no way. It's like the same one as I caught before. Little micro flatty. Not me, mates. There you go, just a little fella. I could not get the hooks out of him, that's why it took so long, but yeah. See you, bud.
Get up.
There's a micro.
Sorry, but I don't know if he wants that.
Just another little guy. Get back. See you, mate. Those head shakes. The very next cast. Holy, there's so many micros around here. Try again. There he is. See ya. Way better. Yeah, grab that net. Bream?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's fat hook. Do you want to net him?
No, it's not. It's in the mouth.
It's just
So there's that little bream. We're just chasing them in the mangroves here, just on a 112 jig head and a bait junkie prawn. Just a little guy. Yeah, we'll get him back in. It's pretty cool. Let's just let this fella go. See, bud.
What the hell is that?
Holy crap, that is a small bream. The little baby.
Maybe don't show that side.
Oh, what is that?
Flathead.
He was at the bank.
There you go.
What is a flathead doing this far up the river? There you go, just a little dusky flathead.